I think it's time to call your landlord. Just tell him that you're moving out. Yeah, you're tired of his stupid rules anyway. I think it's time to pack some boxes. We'll load them up into my car. We'll leave your mattress by the road and drive away to my place, your place, a little hideaway, a little sweet escape. My place, your place, a little hideaway from what in the world do we call this road anyway?
I think it's time to call it all off. We know it wasn't working out. Yeah, I'm tired of your shitty car anyway. I think it's time, see, we're all so different. You're always blabbing about tomorrow, but I want the moment, so let's go our separate ways. To my place, your place,
a little hideaway, a little sweet escape.
my place,
your place, a little hideaway
from
what in the world do we call this road anyway? Move in, you'll think I'm crazy, but move in.
get out. I think we need our own space.
Move in, you think I'm crazy, but I think we need our own place. My place,
My place,
your place,
your place,
a little